Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr bin As radiyallahu anhu says, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was notified that I have said by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will fast during the day and observe standing for prayer during the night forever. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, have you said that you would keep fast during the day and stand up for prayer during the night forever? I replied, yes, I have said that. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you will not be able to do so. So observe fast and miss them, and stand up for prayer and sleep too. Therefore observe 3 days fasting every month, as the reward of every good deed is tenfold. It will be taken as lifelong fasting. He said that he submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I feel myself fit enough to keep comparatively more fasts. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, fast 1 day and leave it for 2 days. I submitted, I can keep more fasts, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, fast 1 day and shun it on the other day. It is David's fasting and it is moderate too. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I can observe more fast. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there is no excellence in more than that. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3418.